friends, it's Courtney. Hit that subscribe button. So for today's video, my friend Mickey is here.
Hi.
And we're going to be doing a hair tutorial for you.
I work for the WWE. I think one of the most signature looks like that we get to play with is the half up, half down at WWE. And I told Courtney how much fun it was to do her hair at that photo shoot, that I thought it would be fun to kind of play and do a signature look that I do at WWE on her. I've worked with it all at this point, but important, this is probably the most important part, is the prep. Getting the hair detangled and free, because you're going to be sectioning the hair. And this tutorial, we're going to discuss extensions. I'll also break like where you would apply in your clip-ins. So we're going to go, as we brush through, I'm noticing her tape-ins, I'm noticing where her hair is actually at right now, so this is great. But what we're going to do is also throw in some dry shampoo. This will help not only gain some volume, but it'll also help me
give you more texture for braiding, right?
Yeah. Right here, as you guys can see, there's a tape in here. A lot of times people want to brush this up. You don't want to do that, because then you're going to get lumping and clumping, and no. So you want to make sure that tape-in is flat to the scalp, and when you pull it, pull over it. So take the front of the hair and just kind of go over the top. That way, A, it disguises it, and B, you don't get any clumping. In this particular half up, half down, I'm doing a sassy half up, half down. Because in my mind, I picture this is like the go-to J-Lo look. And J-Lo in my mind is sassy. Maybe she's not. So, I got it where I want it. I'm going to take the same hair and I'm going to take a nice, good piece of the back. Good chunk. This part is the critical part. So this really determines, it's kind of like what is going to help shape the height or the height of the pony. And because I'm thinking sassy, we're going to take this, we're going to start wrapping it around the physical ponytail holder. We're going to take a texturizing spray or a hairspray, whichever you prefer, and we're going to spray on the actual hair itself. This will really secure and lock down, and I like to get right underneath it because you want it to sit up. You want it to be up high. That final piece, and you take some bobby pins. Now, normally I would like a smaller bobby pin.
That's all I have.
So a smaller bobby pin, you would take it and get right in that little bit of section. I always kind of do a little twist, and I get up and under, and I just poke it through. Now that we have it wrapped, we're going to just take this lovely piece of hair. We're going to just kind of clip it, sectioning out the hair, because what we're going to do with this is add some nice body and wave to it. Very back bottom of the head, and you're going to work from bottom to top. I've seen people take a lot of hair and curl it and get these beautiful big waves, but I want a lot of volume. I think it's this beautiful rain that's going on. I'm like,
yeah, there's a gorgeous storm going on. So if you're somebody like us, we love thunderstorms. It's like, oh, this is beautiful. I feel so creative. Let's play.
It's so funny how, like, you know you're from Florida when?
Like, well, you're a true Floridian. You're from Key West. I mean, like,
I was born,
yeah. Like you're a pirate.
I'll take it. I mean, some call me a butt pirate, but
it's your duty to hit that booty.
That's right, honey.
I'm sorry, that was so cheesy.
That was so cute, though. Why have I not thought of that before? I'm just taking hair and getting it out of the way. We're going to do the same thing that we did to the top part of the head. Now, I've seen people take this section. I've seen them half flat iron from root to like this part and then throw waves through for a more beachier look. It's kind of whatever your preference is on the style, but again, I'm going for big. Add some heat protectant, of course. You don't want your client's hair falling out.
So 1-inch sections for curls, that seems like a pretty good idea for getting a lot of volume.
I like to go below and wrap. The reason why is you get more bounce that way. And we do want volume, so the word volume and bounce to me kind of work together. I hold it for like 10 to 15 seconds. But again, we want a spiral, really tight curl because A, we're in Florida and it will fall out. And B, we want it to really get a nice, really tight curl out of that so that when we brush this out, it still has a good bounce to it and a beautiful wave. So after I've held it nice and tight, unravel. This is the important factor, holding it. We want it to cool down in your hand.
We're going to repeat it all the way across as we work up, correct?
Correct. As we work up the head, we're just going to keep on going. When working with this section, as we just saw, we curled. Let's say the client or you want to add extra hair. So this section is where a lot of times you'll see clip-ins come in, like there's ones, there's 2 clips, and then 3 or 4. If you're following, this would be a great section for that row of hair that has 4 clip-ins on it. Perfect. So this is the next section.
So when you're working on like the WWE girls, how long does it take you to typically do someone's hair?
So it depends on how much hair we're working with, extensions and all. It can take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. We don't have a lot of time because we're on live television. Section number 2 is complete. As you can see, all the curls, an important little tip to show. Notice that the curls are all kind of streamlined together. We really want to make sure, because when we brush this hair out, this hair is all going to have that same flow, and that's really important. You can take it and go the opposite direction if you want. I like to kind of keep it a flow, especially with the half up, half down. It has a tendency to kind of have like a fun little movement to it. So super important to kind of keep that all together.
And so it's probably important for you to know that if you're going to be trying to recreate this hairstyle and you're in a crunch for time, you'll have to do larger sections because of the time crunch. But if you don't have any time crunch, you can keep doing all the tiny small sections that are going to be beautiful.
Focus on that section. So before we want to go ahead and brush it all out. So head up.
Okay.
And we're going to just take this under.
And you're brushing underneath again?
Yep, I go under and over. Okay. Nice and voluminous, nice beautiful bounce. But we're going to go ahead and do what we did. We're going to add this fun glitter. I like it right on the ends. It adds a nice effect, especially with all the colors in the hair.
That looked like a fun product. That's why I picked it up. I was just like, this looks like it'll be fun for something. I don't know what, but let's buy it.
And remember, so now we're going to go ahead and start working on the ponytail. We're going to take a little bit bigger sections. As you can see, this is a little thicker.
That's how I prefer to do heat protection on my hair too. Like whether I'm flat ironing or curling, I'll take the section, spray it, brush it through, and then I'll do the heat.
Right.
The tool.
So something we're going to do a little different too. I'm going to change the direction on the right side of the hair so that it actually falls to the right side of the face and frames the face.
And so you're basically just using hairspray to help smooth it and then brushing it back?
Yes. Just because the hair is up doesn't mean you can't still brush it out.
Okay.
And I always tell everybody that, like, don't be afraid to get into the hair, ever. I just wish that I had something to smooth down.
What I often do was like spray hairspray on my fingertips and then use my fingertips to smooth it, but I don't know if that'll work in this case.
Go ahead and peek.
Okay. I've got to get a mirror so I can actually look. Oh, dude, I love it. I love it. It looks so good.
And then you can kind of like bounce it around. Like I said, it's nice and bouncy and big.
Yes. So let me show you what the hair looks like now that he's finished styling it and everything. Oh, it's just so freaking gorgeous.
Yeah, it looked pretty. And that in slow motion looks so good.
We also use Sexy Hair, and this is like their Amethyst Sparkle, like it's like, I don't know, it says it's medium hold glitter hairspray, and it just seemed like a lot of fun just for this look.
And it was. I think I wore more of it than Courtney did.
Probably. Like, you can tell that, like, his pants and the bottom half of his shirt, like, there's, like, little silver glitter on it.
I'm not mad. It's okay.
You look good in glitter.
I'll take it.
So, in case you aren't, you should absolutely follow my friend Mickey on Instagram.
Yeah, the Mickey Fitzpatrick, if you guys want to see any of the looks that I'm doing on any of the girls, whether it be Natty or
My favorite.
Bliss or Ember Moon, follow me on Instagram and you'll see some fun stuff. And I do tag all the brands.
Yep. Mickey is awesome. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this awesome tutorial. Thank you so much, Mickey, for coming to give us a beautiful hair tutorial. Yeah, you do. He's one of my best friends, so I'm very, very happy. He was like, yeah, let's play. And I was like, yes, let's play with hair. It's
and we're
awesome.
going to play even more when the camera's off.
Yes, we are.
But maybe not the same kind of play you guys know.
Oh my God. Not for this video.
Not for this video. X-rated.
All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and share. If you didn't like this video, hit the thumbs down and tell me why, so we want to improve.
If you hit the thumbs down, you're going to get kind of this. It's not quite of a thumb, but it works both ways.
Oh my God. If you're looking for what to watch next, check over here. YouTube is going to suggest something awesome. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.